So, guess what? Where are we going today? So today we are going to Tandolayar. I'm traveling, going out of the city, and it's my first time, and it's like I'm so excited. See you. So finally, after like 1 hour drive, we just reached here on a stop by Total Pump. And right now I'm resting. I just went down from the van because I don't have any blood circulation in my legs. So anyway, 2 hours more to go. So stay tuned. Oh, finally guys, we reached at Tandolayar. So it's almost already like 4:30 I think in the afternoon. So I guess you have to wait and stay tuned. What will I'm going to